Hi everyone, I'm your host Lakendra Kumar and today we'll discuss microbial growth factors. In this specific video, I'll cover the factors affecting microbial growth. So that is the topic I'm writing. I will also write down the name of this particular topic as microbial growth factors or growth factors. So what are the different growth factors that are required by the microbe? So, to understand that, we need to understand that microbes, they require enzymes, and then enzymes, they carry out various biochemical reactions for the growth of the microbe. So, this is the simple phenomena that is getting repeated for the growth of the microbe. And for that, you need various nutrients. You need carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, energy. You also need energy to carry out various biochemical pathways. I have discussed many compounds in my previous videos, so if you haven't seen those videos, I'm going to recommend you so that you can watch those videos and understand the function of these nutrients. Now, one of the important points that I'm going to mention here is that not all compounds, they are produced inside the cell. Suppose this is the microbial cell, and microbial cell is producing many or some of the important compound that is inside. But microorganisms, they also require some compounds that are not synthesized inside the bacterial cell. So there are some of the compounds that are not synthesized, and they are the growth factors. These are organic compounds and they are essential for the growth of the microbe, but they are not synthesized inside the cell. You can characterize these microbial growth factors in basically three main classes. So they are not synthesized inside the cell and they are present in the environment, and microbes require these constituents. So three major classes. First, amino acids. Then you have purines and pyrimidines. They are the important part of the nucleic acids. Then you have vitamins, and they are important part of the enzymes and also for the various biochemical pathways. Amino acids, they are important, as I've already mentioned. They are important part of the protein. And then you have purines and pyrimidines. They are important part of the nucleic acids. Further, vitamins. Vitamins are important. Therefore, I want to discuss some of the examples. Some of the microbes, they are able to synthesize these vitamins. What I mean by that is I want to discuss vitamin producing microbes. So this is important because this question is being asked in many exams. So you need to remember what are the microbes that are producing different types of vitamins. So let's talk about riboflavin. This particular vitamin is produced by genus Clostridium and Candida. And then further you have vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is an important vitamin, and this particular vitamin is produced by Saccharomyces, not Saccharomyces, my apologies. It is being produced by Streptomyces and Pseudomonas. Third vitamin is vitamin C. Vitamin C is produced by Gluconobacter, and then it is being produced by, or it is known to produce by, Corynebacterium. Now, next vitamin, which is vitamin D. This vitamin is important and it is produced by Saccharomyces, genus Saccharomyces. So I just confused myself with vitamin B12 and vitamin D. So you need to remember that. Vitamin D is being produced by Saccharomyces. Now, this is also important for the current research because you need to find out new microbes that can produce vitamins or other important compound. You also need to improve the yield. You need to standardize the conditions to improve the yield of those particular products. So this is the important part of the microbiology research, where you want to find out another genus or new species that can produce higher yield of these specific compounds, or you also need to find out the conditions or optimize the conditions so that they can produce already known bacterial genuses. They can produce higher amount of these vitamins. So this was all about the growth factors. I hope that this video is going to help you to understand about the growth factors. I have discussed some of the examples of microbes that are producing important vitamins. I have also tried to explain the basics of microbial growth and microbial growth factors. I will cover interesting topics in this particular video lecture series, and this particular series is focused on microbial nutrition. I'm constantly uploading various other topics like immunology. I'm covering biochemistry, genetics, and so on. And if you like these kind of videos, then please stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and show your support. Your support is important. With that note, I thank you, and I'll see you in my next video where I'll try to cover or try to include more interesting topics like this. Thank you, and take care.